I was cleaning up some of my stuff the other day. I consider myself, I'm not a hoarder, I'm a collector. But I found my very first cordless drill. It's a Makita 9.6. I bought this in 1985, and I think I paid just under $300 for it. It was like revolutionary at its time. Like look at the weight of this and how heavy it is. It did 200 foot-pounds of torque, maybe. The battery lasted okay. This was used daily for years and years till I worked my way up through various other cordless drills. The next one was a Makita as well, which I still have somewhere. I do have the kit and I do have the charger for this. It's dead right now. I'll have to dig it up and find it. But what I was really surprised at, they're selling between $40 and $140 on eBay, and collectors are starting to like these things. It was workhorse. What I really bought it for was GM ignitions that were in the dash. A lot of older cars in the, well, it was 1985 when I bought this. I was still doing GM 6 cuts with in the ignition in the dash. So you have to drill a little, 1/8-inch hole or less, put pressure on the sidebar and pick it, and then you could turn it to the on position or the accessory position and remove it. So this was a lifesaver because it just took forever. I had a little tiny hand drill. It took forever to do it. This thing just took it into seconds. The other thing I used this for was safety deposit boxes. I had to drill a small hole, and I would pick the safety deposit box. And a lot of times hooking up power was running extension cords and everything into the bank vault. That's what the safety deposit boxes were. And this was just a big time saver. And I remember looking at it, trying to justify, almost $300. I looked at it, and finally I just bought it, and I never looked back. Nowadays, so this is 1985, here we are, 2025. This is kicking 400 pounds of torque. It's unbelievable. It's a hammer drill as well. And then if you look at this one, this is pretty old. I don't know the exact foot-pounds of it, but it's a hammer drill. It's got the forge battery. Where have we come? Yeah, this is heavier with the forge. It's close though. In how many years? 20 years? 80? 90? 10? 30 years. OMG, this is 30 years old. 1985, 2025. But this is what I'm using more so every day until I have to do a safe, or when I'm installing deadbolts, I'll use the big heavy duty one. So it's kind of funny. I hope you enjoyed that. Let's see what else I dig up as I'm cleaning up. Okay, have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.